What is self-watering containers for gardening? Self-watering containers have an inner pot that holds the plant and soil, and an outer pot or bottom reservoir that holds extra water. A wick joins the two and pulls water up into the root ball as it's needed. Most reservoirs are large enough to supply water for several days or more depending on the weather. Most of the time home gardeners face a dilemma, and that is how they would keep their plants fresh with water when they are not around or they have to water many times a day. Basically, the system holds water in the reservoir and it works with the phenomena of osmosis. When the soil is drying out, the water is drawn up again. It is also known as sub-irrigated planter systems. To make this self-watering planter you need wooden boxes, which have plastic boxes on the base. Also, with the main water container, preferably a drum, a small control box is fixed. It maintains the flow of the water to the wooden boxes. The connection between the reservoirs is maintained through the connectors and the pipes. It is simple yet effective ideas, and easy to learn too. With the help of two big bucket and styrofoam cup, which would be used as water reservoir, you can build a simple, yet effective sort of self-watering system. It would with the mechanism as inside and outside system. Once you have all the materials and the tools, you would simply require no time in assembling it.